Hi guys, today I'm opening some more of the Miniverse Make It Mini Spa. Let's see if we got something new. Okay, let's see what we got. It does tell you on the inside of the checklist. So we got the Tropical Sugar Scrub. We don't have that one. So now we have all three of them because we've done the other two. The instructions are really easy. So let's go ahead and open the containers. The packages. You have a little spoon and a scoop. Also have a tray. The sugar scrub trays are a little different, so we have that one. And here's our fragrance. These look just like essential oil bottles. They're very cute. So tropical. The containers, are these the exact same ones we had? If not, very similar. I think these are more peachy and the other ones had more of like a pink hue to it.
I love it.
You love it? Good.
Yeah, they're also cute.
Loofah that matches, and a mixing bowl. Looks like we have another container over here.
Can I open
They look the exact same.
Can I open
Yeah, you can open that.
Good.
Then we have some body oil. I might have some left over because I didn't use it all the first time, so probably keep that sealed. Then we have some white sugar.
I got the portrait stuff. Make sure
Okay.
to have the legs.
These are the legs that go in here to make it into a bathtub. And then this goes out like that and goes across the tub. Really cute. The first thing it tells us to do is dump the sugar into the bowl.
Sugar, sugar.
Sugar, sugar. There's a little sticker on it, but that's not what's keeping it sealed. It just looks really cute. You still have to cut it up here. All right. And you dump all of it in there. There will be like, I don't know, maybe a spoonful or two left over that doesn't fit in the jar. Oop. And of course, if you spill some on the table, that sometimes happens too. It's very pretty. It kind of looks like a mix of like regular sugar with like powdered sugar mixed into it. It's soft. It's not as granular as regular sugar. Then it says 10 spoonfuls of the oil. This one I've made 2 scrubs out of and I still have oil left, so let's see if it's enough to make it. 1, 2, 3. It comes out really fast, so it's hard to... I think it's gonna be enough. That's half. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. And there's still a tad left over. You can add it if you want it to be more wet. Some sugar scrubs are wetter than others, so it's up to you. Now this, it doesn't tell you how much to add, but if you look at the bottle, it's only filled about halfway. You can't really see it on camera. So I've just been adding the whole thing in, why not?
Yeah. It'll make it extra easier to smell.
I'm gonna let you smell this in a minute. This one smells good.
Okay, the good smell.
I was hoping to find this one because I don't really care for like cherry blossom and rose and smell that.
Smell like the beach.
Tropical. Doesn't that smell nice?
Tropical. It smells so good.
And I love that you can keep these.
I'd use that as an air freshener.
Use them for play.
That should be a perfume.
Yeah. And then we're simply going to mix it up until everything's combined. And like I said, if you think you want to add more to it or it looks too dry, just add a little bit more oil to it. I haven't had that issue, but in my opinion, this is definitely the best smelling one. It smells so good. And I did get the display box, as you can see, I took it home. So I will be opening that to look at what it came with, to see if it actually came with the bath bomb powder. It came with formed bath bombs, and I'm wondering if, are they fragile? Are they like a different material? I don't know, but we will be experimenting with that and finding out. But this looks pretty good. Now we can put it in the jar. Okay, so I have the jar. You kind of have to hold it because it'll fall over. But once you put some of the scrub in, you don't have to hold it anymore. It'll sit on the table. I can't get over how good this smells. It's such a good tropical scent.
I'll keep that forever. I'll never use that. I just use it for air freshener.
Air freshener.
I'll keep that
That's pretty full. Okay. There you go. The band around it is just kind of like a silicone, almost like a rubber band. And then the other jar, it's the exact same size. Probably would have been cute if they did like one taller than the other just to give it some dimension. But this is okay too. All right, and I'll show you. I'm going to use the rest at the end. You can use it as a scrub if you want. It's not very effective because it's not very textured like real body scrub is, or sugar scrub. But yeah, that's how much is in there. And of course we do have some left. If you had another container, you could probably fill it up in there too. So let's put them on top of the little tray it came with. It says Sunnyside Spa on the top of the lid. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute. It's a nice little peachy color. And yeah, you can easily fill another container with that. Here's one of the empty containers for the, was it rose? So they're pretty similar. Once you put sugar in them, it's hard to tell the color difference. So one's like a light peach, one's a pink. And because this is empty, I could totally fill that back up and let her play with it. But to show you, it definitely has the oils in it, obviously.
Yep.
But it's really soft. It's way softer than sugar.
How do you feel?
Yeah, go ahead. Kind of feels like sand, but again, really soft. It's softer than sand.
The other ones.
It's almost like powdered sugar with a tiny bit of like white sugar.
That smells so good.
It does. It smells very good.
I'm never gonna get over this good smell.
Well, that's what we have for you today. If you want to see me make more of these, subscribe and stay tuned. We do have some more. Bye, guys.